Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Today I'm doing a layout for a challenge group that I was recently reminded about. I used to be in the group years ago, and then when I stopped scrapping I left all the groups that I was involved with. But someone in another group, recently reminded us about the CSI challenge group. I'll link the group below, but it's a really fun group. They put up challenges every month, and it's really easy to participate in the challenges because it's all about a scene or a colour scheme, and they're really fun. So for June we have two different themes. The first one is like an image of a camper van and a dog and outdoors, and this is the colour scheme: greens, red, white and blue. And then these are the elements that they suggest that you can use or use as a prompt to create a layout. I won't run through them all because there's a lot of them, but there's plaid, stripes, wood grain, camping themed items, wood, watercolour, dog, bird, another animal, trees, leaves, pine cones, camper, boat, clouds, metal, all those sort of things are elements that you can include in your layout. Pick as many as you want to use and include. There's also journaling prompts, so you can pick a document, that's a new word, a topic, document a camping trip or some other outdoor or nature event. Prompt idea: choose a June prompt, so from the previous challenge last month. Presentation: write in cursive on your background. Make a signpost like on the scene and write 4 things about your topic. Inspiration words: everything jubilant and sing. So all these are prompts that you can use to create your layouts. And then when you create your layout, upload the photo into the album and tell them which evidence items you used, which testimony items you used, and where your inspiration came from the image and the colours. So lots of fun. The second one is this lovely watercolour fruit one. It says live your life with zest, and the colours are really pretty and pastel, very spring summer. So you've got yellow, green, white, pink and red. And then the evidence things are like a floral pattern, watercolour background, lemons or other fruit, leaves, flowers, wreath, frame, sunburst, a pie chart shape, rub-on, small dot stamps, and the list goes on. And then the topic, the testimony, now these are meant to spark ideas for your story. You can combine them if you want, or not use them, up to you. But you choose one or more of the elements below. Topic: document something about food. Prompt: choose a journal jar prompt that links you to something else. Tie a string around your journaling. Writing format: write your journaling as advice. And inspiration words: life, zest and tart. And then at the end is the colour scheme in RGBs. So I've decided to play along with this one, and this is what I am doing. I've already made the title, because one of these, it says a large, I thought I saw large, where is it, like a large heading. I can't find it now. Long title, that's what it is, long title. So my title is going to be Citron au Tart. I don't even know how to pronounce it. That sounds Italian even though it's French. And then I'm going to put French lemon tart because that's what that translates to in English. So this is a lemon tart my daughter made just last week. It was absolutely delicious. Really, really beautiful. So they're not the best photos. I'm not the best food photographer. And these are just really quick snaps I took as everyone was standing around ready to cut the tart and devour it. So they are the photos I'm doing. And my embellishments I have are from Creative Fabrica. I just downloaded a lemon file and had all these lovely images that I printed out and then cut with my brother, scanned and cut. So there's leaves and lemons and more leaves, and that's where the flag came from as well. And then I have more leaves over here that I left behind. And these green letters are going to be my subtitle, or an extension of my title. And that's going to say French lemon tart. And hopefully there's enough of each letter. I haven't tested. I haven't checked. And then I've just got a few other odds and ends, tucking pieces, basically, to bring a bit more blue into the layout. Right, because... oh, and I've forgotten my bottom cardstock. I think I was going to use the blue one as my base. And then this yellow as a strip sort of down the middle to put the photos on. So I have in my head what I think I'm doing. Hopefully it works. And then I have just some coloured jewels to put at the end, some green and yellow bit of bling. So what I'm using from the scene and the colour scheme, I'm using a lemons or other fruit. These elements were chosen from them. Add these, but pick as many as you want. So I've got flowers, leaves, lemons, cursive font, that could be classed as a cursive font, long title, and sprinkle small bits, sequins, small brads, and enamel dots. Well, these are jewels, so they are small bits. And my testimony is to document something about food. So that is what I'm doing for my crime scene investigation. So really cool. I love these type of challenges. They get you thinking. Anyway, so now, after all that, let's get this page happening. there's my layout. And the one thing I've noticed, this A is back to front. Because they were separate and not joined in the word, I should have melded the backs together. Yeah, but see how it's meant to be italics? That's actually going the wrong way. But it was by design. Yeah. Not much really I want to say about this, except it came together so quickly. I wasn't sure about the background, but that's got like a French provincial pattern on it, so I think it works really well. And blue and yellow is a classic colour combination. They don't have blue on the colour here, but I have green and I have yellow. So I got two of the colours. And I am really pleased with how this turned out. Came together really nicely. Okay, so if you liked this video, give it the thumbs up. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe and hit that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. And I will have the CSI challenge group listed below so that you can pop over, join and start playing along with all the fun. Thanks so much for watching and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.